One English listening. Describing your house.
Hi, my name is Juan, and I want to show you my new house. I live in Atlanta with my wife and our 3 kids. We used to live in a small apartment in San Francisco. It was cheap, but it was old. Our new house is more expensive, but it is big and beautiful. Let me show you around. Downstairs, this is the living room. Here, we enjoy watching TV and playing video games. Next to the living room is the kitchen. We love to cook here as a family. This is my son Ryan's room. He loves soccer. This is the downstairs bathroom. Ryan usually uses this one. Now let's go upstairs. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is the master bedroom. This is where my wife and I sleep, and we have our own bathroom. This is my daughter Maya's room. She loves purple. And this is my daughter Sonya's room. She loves kittens. This is the other bathroom upstairs. Maya and Sonya share this one. Now let me take you outside. This is our backyard. We have a swimming pool, our kids love it. In the front yard, we have our garage and the driveway. This is where I park my car. I love my new home. It is big, new, and perfect for my family.